Hello, this is Andy from Walt Motor Company in Newbury and welcome to the sale of this 2014 14 registered BMW. This car is the 320 diesel M Sport Touring, they call it, estate car, finished in this lovely Melbourne red, which is a very unusual colour to find with these. Full black Dakota leather inside and 79,000 miles on the clock, so nice low mileage for the year. Car's got a proper service history. We've serviced it here last with us here in March 2023 with a MOT to March 24. Car has 4 new tyres fitted and nice specification, including heated seats, sat nav, Harman Kardon music, sport auto obviously, digital radio. Put my brain back in gear, forgotten all about it already. But nice car, a couple of little marks around it as you'd expect, but nothing sinister. Drives all as it should, and I think you'll agree when you see the rest of the video. Nice car all round. Driver's door card, all in good condition as you can see. 4 electric windows and electric mirrors. The Harman Kardon music upgrade. As we look round to the interior, black Dakota leather. Bolsters in lovely condition, no wear there at all. Driver's seat all lovely, and this one does have the 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Leather steering wheel itself is in excellent condition all the way around. Got the M Sport badge there, which is cool. Thumb rests here. You'll notice the paddles. If you want to change gear manually, you can do. On the left hand side of the wheel you get your cruise control. On the right hand side, volume and telephony. Current mileage down there is 79,964, so just a tickle under 80,000 miles. Onboard satellite navigation. I better turn the ignition on, hadn't I? You can see, if we go to radio, you've got digital radio there, obviously telephony, and then into the menu we'll just show you on vehicle information, status, and we see all green there on our current check, and the service history on board with BMW in 19, 17, another one in 17 and 15. More services on invoice with me, as I say, just done this month as well. Dual zone climate control, heated front seats like I said, and then automatic gearbox, sport function 2, 2 keys for the car with keyless go. This is your iDrive system, and then the passenger seat in excellent condition. So is the passenger door card, the dashboard, all the plastics you come into contact with in excellent order. Passenger side rear door card, again in excellent condition. It's a little tiny mark just there. Into the rear seats, absolutely lovely. Head restraints are present, and backs of the front seats are in good condition. So all nice and clean and tidy in there. Does have the M Sport roof lining too, the black roof lining. Into the boot area, again, nice big space, nice and clean and tidy in there. Seats fold down. Got the parcel shelf too. And the electric tailgate. This car also has a little brink tow bar for like a garden trailer, that sort of thing. Just a single electric. Starting away with the bodywork, with the near side front corner all looks to be in good order. New tyres all round like I said. Near side front alloy wheel has some very minor curbing. And then looking along the passenger side of the car, no obvious dinks, dents or scratches. Minor curbing to the near side rear wheel. Oh, there's a couple of little just touch-ins there I've just noticed. Round the back corner good. Parking sensors as well. All nice round that way. Offside rear wheel, minor curbing, And then looking along at the driver's side of the car, again, no obvious dents or scratches. Offside front wheel, minor curbs again. Round this corner's all good. And onto the front, couple of little stone chips on the bonnet, been touched in here and there. Otherwise fine. Windscreen, tiny little bit of road rash, every car has it. And up on the roof, that all looks fine too. So a couple of little marks, but certainly nothing you wouldn't expect. So there we go. What a lovely colour, nice car. 2014 BMW 320 diesel, M Sport, touring, auto, sat nav, digital radio, Harman Kardon, heated seats, etc, etc, and just been serviced. Nice car all the way around, this one. If you'd like to come and see the car, it's in Newbury in Berkshire, do give me a ring. My name's Andy on 07786 742 422. Thanks for watching the videos.